Obi, you look me finish. Me solo wise. You look me, you talk and say me. I don't get blood. You talk am. By the time I finish this blood, by the time I finish the one in this goat, at that time gonna say I get blood. Thank you. Ewu! Thank you! Thank you! What's that here? Here, mama, here. Here, mama, here. Here, mama, here. Here, mama, here. Here. One. Fabia. We can make mistake. What's your move? One man has to. Here. Ejimia. Ejimki. Yeah. Fabia. Oh, man. Yeah. Blood capsule. If you take right, I take sense. Obi, you talk and say I don't get. Blood don't full everywhere. By the time I finish this one, blood will in my body. Nothing. Take your blood capsule, Ewu. Yeah. We need to mix together.
Mefula, you are drunk again today. Don't you have anything to do with money? Or do you think you are getting younger? What is this?
Chief, let me just pretend as if I don't hear you. Chief, because if I talk now, people go to say, so why is I there insulted? Chief, you know, for this Ubahu, ancient kingdom memorial, everybody gather together. Anonymously, come give me a name will fit me well. Chief, if you know, call me. If you want us to continue this talk, you call me that name. What they give me?
Oh, okay. Solo wise, right?
10 over 10. Yes.
Please, I am so sorry about that.
Chief, sorry, acceptable. Accepted. You can now hit on. Talk on. Let's continue.
Okay, dear. Solo wise. Why do you want to ruin your life with alcoholic drinks?
Chief, not my fault. No, not my fault. If this man here never kill himself, people they're not gonna say this man here they try.
I don't understand you at all.
You not gonna understand. You not gonna understand, Chief, because you don't live in my house. If you dare my house, see how mosquito the butcher person. If you take right, I take sense. As on your sense, I say if I go to take spirit. Chief will know each time I take spirit, enter my house to sleep, I will sleep cooler like a baby. Any bite where mosquito they give me, whether they bite me, if they chop me, I don't know. If you like, you go carry me, go outside. You go say carry me, come inside. Till the break, you put asunder. Simple.
Solo wise, please. I want you to do everything possible to avoid mosquito bite, because mosquitoes are responsible for malaria. And the more they bite you, the more likely you will fall sick.
Chief, you fell am. Oh, Chief, we here now, you get 0/10. If I venture to get malaria by luck, I go enter bush, cut plant, drink am, cook and drink am, malaria, I go. You leave me hand. You know?
Yeah, well, anyway, just know that prevention is better than cure. If you can prevent mosquito bites, you will not fall sick. That's all I have to tell you.
Chief, Chief, you know it makes sense. Chief, you make sense. Prevention, a better cure. Chief, in that case now, what I got to do be say, if I get plant, I go cook plant. If I drink spirit, I drink plant. It go be preventions. That is it. Honestly.
Well, God will surely have mercy upon you.
Amen. That is it. You don't go ever get me. That is what I am saying.
Chief, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, my brother. How are you?
Chief, I did find you.
And where are you going to?
Chief, I won't go see my friend day by day.
Day by day? Yes. Is he at home? Is he back?
Chief, day by day, don't tell when he come back.
What happened now? What happened to him?
Chief, him tell me say na witches and wizard na him spoil in job or in business. Understand? But I don't take I look and no say na women na him liquidate in business.
That is rubbish now.
Chief, not be only that one though. You know this guy na Babro Wire, the son of Nnaman.
Yes.
That one na home base. That one na home base, Chief.
That one is back home too.
What
is happening now? What is happening to our youths? How come that they don't want to stay in the city and hustle like every other people that I know? What is wrong?
Chief, that one na question for them. Now for them, because me, I know myself. Chief, to tell you, if not be say my shop catch fire, burn to ashes, all my goods, everything burn. Chief, I forgot they work out for this village up and down. They work out like say I be egg when they hash for poultry. No, I don't fit.
Sorry, your shop was gutted, eh?
Gutted, yes, my shop was gutted.
If I ask you, what will it take for you to start a fresh business?
Chief. Chief, see, I don't know, but for me, if I see 100,000, I think I feel I start up something, Chief. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, Chief.
That 100,000 will be enough?
I will use and start up. I will use and start somewhere.
All right. Let me see what I can do. Come and see me in my house before I leave for Abuja tomorrow.
For your house, Chief?
Yes. Try and come.
Chief.
Please come early.
No wahala, Chief. Chief!
It's okay. I have to encourage you.
Chief! I go go. Oh my!
What is one?
Hey! God! Boy! See, now you talk say, God, no the answer prayer again. See me see Waro. What is one? Who is that tell you say, God, no answer player? Not what I tell you. I tell you say, God, the answer player, but sometimes. Sometimes? Okay, yeah. Even say you say sometimes, or you say every time. You dare right.
Huh?
Yes. You dare right.
I better say don't see woman where you go marry.
Which can marry. And they talk about something where they important, something where good for life. You dey talk about woman to marry. Marry where waiting. Marriage is not the only thing.
You pick American visa for load.
American
Visa for load.
Wait I pick. Hey, wait I see. In fact, what God won't do for me? He pass and 10 times.
Huh?
In fact, 100 times he pass. Okay. Now because in my mind, I make a rush, come meet you first, tell you. You know Chief Joe?
Chief Joe, huh?
I see him. You tell me say tomorrow, I can come collect 100,000 naira.
Nketi as one of you then.
I'm gonna feel the cousin.
Nketi as one of you then.
I was saying, I'm not the woman.
What is one? 100,000 naira. Where you go use go money? Do traditional marriage. Do wedding ceremony join. Now I want to go start business.
Child. Around that. Why be saying I here? Be the first place. Why would you go with the first person make it white hair? To marry now be the first thing. You know they say that want 100,000. I go to go city. Ngaga city. We maybe shop. After me opening shop, I'll now come back, come hurry. Or no say I feel married finish now. They suffer for this village. I go die. My wife will die. Everybody will die. Even for her grave, we will die. For hellfire, two of us will go.
No, they talk like this. No, they talk like this. One is one. You just there here, they talk nonsense. You know, say you get some people wait there for city, where they suffer. Past people wait there for this village.
Nowhere, see, make I tell you, nowhere we're suffering no day. And wherever I know. Yes, abroad, America, people they suffer. For Afghanistan, people they suffer. For United States, even for India, people they suffer. But that one, not my portion.
You don't do. You don't tell Soro Wise and Babu Wise this the way you tell me now.
God forbid. Chile cannot pay more. To tell Solo Wise. For what? Making winch me? Any more progress? I feel tired. Babu Wise and I'm not saying our man.
One is one. Soro Wise not be enemy of progress. You know, be enemy of progress at all. Why they talk like this? You don't forget say na your chairman.
God forbid. Shall we? Okay, fine. And our chairman before, but like this now, with this 100,000, na me be chairman of myself. In fact, after 6 months now, I go get one boy. Just serve champ for 6 years or 7 years. I will settle up. Another person go serve me for 16 years. I go settle up. Another person,
no problem.
32 years. That's why I go settle.
You get one thing where I want to tell you. You see this problem where you get with Soro Wise, we go resolve them. That problem, no go kill us.
Day by day, see, that matter now, this problem now, for now, we still in this village.
Have you?
Because now, when I be home base, I be abroad. So now on our way day here, we go settle up.
See, one is one. Before you go leave, we go celebrate.
My man, now we go celebrate that 100,000.
We go celebrate.
If you bring us 600 naira, we use celebrate the stuff. Day by day. In fact, you know, if I go city, this your stuff. This your stuff. We're not old. I go change it for you.
Where you go? Where you go, Abi?
I tell you.
Where you go?
If I change and finish, I go change one. They walk in the house.
100,000 naira. All right. One is one. 100,000 naira. All right.
Give me travel. Give me pass.
No, let me. I will go give you treble.
Okay. Treble.
I will give you treble.
na Chukwu na-abịa. na Chukwu na-abịa. Onye na-aṅụ Igbo sozina na Chukwu na-abịa. Onye na-ese Igbo sozina na Chukwu na-abịa.
Listen.
Ọṅụ nkwa ṅụzina na Chukwu na-abịa. Ọṅụ nkwa ṅụzina na Chukwu na-abịa. onye na-aṅụ nkwụ aṅụzi na Chukwu na-abịa.
Osi Igbo says na Chukwu na-abịa. Yes, it go be Igbo on the yobara. Yeah? In fact, make everybody keep quiet. I get important announcement to give now. I get important announcement to give for this place. You see, one is one. For all of this village, you be our best friend. For inside the Vigilante Group Association, you be our friend. You understand? We dey very happy say they go city. You see this city where they go to Molo. But one advice there, where I want to give you. That advice be say, if you enter city, you see women as right. You got that? If woman they come from left, go right. Yeah, honestly, if you come up from left, enter right. You got that? Because we will be your friend for inside this Vigilante Association group of company. We not gonna want to make that same thing we carry you come back from city before. Make that same thing carry you come back to this place again. You got that?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Because of the love where I get for you from the mediums of my heart. Now I want to give you this one. As because of say I like you. Come see me tomorrow. Make I give you a small chonchon. Make you take enter transport go.
My man, you know I love you. I love you,
No mention. What did they mention? This small chonchon. Now they mention. No mention.
The advice what I want to give you be say if you go this city, see this city where you go now. If you go city, no look at women. No look at women's at all. No look at women's. At the talk from experience, yo. Me at the talk from experience. If you look at women's now, they feel drag you. Come this village.
God forbid.
I like this advice.
It's not my portion in Jesus' name.
You see this advice we give him now. You see this advice, I like him. I like this particular one.
Another thing, you say, if you reach this city, if you reach for city, no forget us. They call us, every time they call us. Even if you no get credit for phone, flash us, we go call you.
Even if you no get credit, just call us. Tell us that you no get credit, we will call you back.
As my friend, friend for life, I go find something, give you. This thing where I won't find, give you, this 200 naira where I won't give you now. Anything where you put them on top, go prosper.
Amen.
I'm telling you, you go prosper. Anything, you go prosper.
Wait, is this BVN or national ID card on your driver's license?
I know how to
They collect money.
I don't know how to take enter my house.
No, it didn't fly.
It's alright.
You say, I'm just sorry for the embarrassment, sir. I'm just sorry. Abi,
It's alright.
You need the leg coat. All this is blue. For sake of emergency. You need the leg coat.
If thunder don't fire you, come.
one is one.
You. So this advice they give you no one enter.
I know why. I just want to hold out for holding sake.
If you hold the gun. Open! Open gate! Open it.
So why is not you?
Mba, no be me. Una ghost. From my voice.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. From my voice, you know say person will knock. Nah, so wise.
Now who you want see?
I'll see you one way ago. Bugo. What's your cash?
I know be human being.
It depends. At times.
I've been Amarachi my season that you want see.
God forbid evil. For what? I want to see Chief Joe. We talk for phone. Sorry, for road. He don't come back. He don't reach. I know say my jeep I go first come before him. He don't come.
Now because you want chief, now make you won't see chief. Now make you they do God forbid for Amarachi my sister. You better pass Amarachi Kuka. I be you fine passer.
Come. But we know they talk of who fine pass who. We don't talk of this man here. I be born again. Are you with me? I don't get any issue to do with the local champions.
I no blame you. Oh no, Joe, see how it be. Fanya don't finish you, turn you to another thing.
Oh yeah. Open. No be this small one. Open big. Open. Open.
I want to national. I don't challenge you today. Yeah. And as long as I live, I must retaliate in a bigger way. I go pay back. Now the year and the date, now I don't know. But say I do am, as long as I live, I go do am for now. Before I forget, see, like this now. If I collect the 100,000 from Chief Joe, I will give her 5,000 naira. I'm not gonna use whole body.
You see this way you talk now. This way come up for your mouth. The only person will like person. I ain't go fit open mouth tell the person this kind of thing.
You are right.
But the problem we go face now be say we go miss you if you go.
We go miss you, battery. We go miss you, battery.
Leave matter for Matthias. Like I said, and I'm saying it now. I'm not drunk. I'm talking with my clear mind. See this better thing you wanna do for me, as my friends. I go do them in a bigger way.
Yo, Aka.
Aka. Solo the one.
If they take right, I take sense. Chief, let me bring a little history. Chief, you know Abuja, you supposed to know Abuja now.
Of course, yes.
Chief, na me, single-leggedly, handedly, build Abuja.
Kokona. Really?
I'm telling you. You know Lafayette Junction for Wuse 4. Wuse Zone 4. What there for Ibute Meta now? Now me build them.
Wakemesi no jike do boom chesa at one go. Ngwa, na nyemia.
I know they talk of Accra, GRA for Ghana. Where they for Lekki now. Now me bring and construct them.
All right, let me ask you this question. Then you built all these. Why did you come back home?
Oh, come home. This question is very important. But Chief, if I tell you in a long story, though this man is sort of wise, I know they ever regret say I be home base now. Because since we're solo enter village, my people, all of them now they sleep with their eyes, two eyes open, closed. Because of this man.
Now that you say this, I have something to advise you on. You see, as the chairman of the Vigilante group, you are not supposed to be addicted to liquor. That is taking too much drinks. It's not right. Lest you kill yourself one day.
Chief, you think say are drunk?
No, be say thinking. I know that you are drunk. But see the way it's oozing out. Always drunk. Why? In fact, I allowed you to take this one because you made me drinking. Otherwise, it's not proper now.
Chief, let me give quick lecture answer. Chief will bring a drink, bring a post of a vigilante chairman. The drink will not show you the spirit. This is, Chief, na lecture. This too, they are tonto wine to help the job go smoothly. Chief, if I not drink, that means I not go see well. At this junction, are you with me, Chief? You know?
I know the one to believe and the one not to believe. Go ahead.
Chief, at this junction, you need to bring me more. Giving me more is like acquiring more spirit.
Of course, you know I won't do that. I am saying that you've taken more than enough. You are still asking me. That's a joke. You're a joker. You're just kidding.
Chief,
just take this and go home and sleep and become good.
Chief, you are trying me. Don't try me, yo. Chief, I dedicated my life. I not get life. If I'm going to kill myself, if you not give me drink. You started it. One.
I don't drink. No. Don't worry. Hey, I'm not doing me, sir.
Chief, you are trying me.
Come back now. Come on. Okay, come and drink.
Chief, one. You are trying me. Two. You are trying me. Three. Okay.
Hey, Mama, stop.
One.
It's okay.
2.
Come and sit down. Hey! Go. Hey! Sorry now. Oh yeah.
I know my way.
Hey! You may have the quality.
Uju!
Uju Bangu! Because first to bring one black angel. Let him go home with that.
Say I no tell on my plan. Make you know like say my friends they don't know which they do for city. Any first money I make, yeah, I go and buy 911.
Now waiting.
911.
What you gonna make you want go begin waste your money say they buy 911? See, make I tell you, if you come up for that city make money, make you leave 911. No, you can go buy ambulance.
Ambulance.
Yes now.
Baba, why? Ambulance and 911. Which one better pass?
See you. You don't even know. You know say that time where we say our grandfather that their own time where we say if person die, they go carry that plank where they carve do them. Now they carry person go bury. But this time now where they live now, if person die now, ambulance they carry the person go where they go bury the person. Very easy. They will even put AC for dead body.
Yeah, in that case, I don't change my mind. Wait till I go buy na ambulance. I go leave jeep.
I don't remember something now.
Wait till you remember.
Me and Baba Wire, we go see Chief Joe, thank him for goodness.
Why don't go thank him?
See, you know, say as Chief Joe, I don't promise you say he will give you money. If we go thank him, you understand? If you go thank Chief Joe now, shame not go let him make it disappoint you. That's why we need to go thank him.
Well, wait till I talk na better thing, no, na better thing as my friends. Well, as soon as they go now, make I go my house, go wash my clothes. And I know that they travel tomorrow for in case it. I go show you a letter.
Chief, thank you. Thank you.
I hope I've solved their problem.
Yes, you solved it once more. Chief, do you know that mosquito will flew from my house go here and tonight? Because this man is solo. I go sleep with opening of windows and the doors.
What are you talking about? Drinks are not insecticides. You know that?
Okay. This one, I said, they look him. If you take him, he go do the work of insecticides.
How? How do you mean?
Chief, you don't know? Chief, if you got too short of this spirit, download them into your system. Are you with me? Download them into your system. You go do the work of insecticide. It go make you sleep. When I take a name, go make me sleep like a baby. Without opening of eyes.
Solo wise, I will continue to advise you correctly. You don't need all this. But please, when you get to, look for an analgesic that will help you because of hitting your head. Again, if you cannot do that, go to the hospital and seek for doctor's advice on what drugs you can take, so that he will check you up and be sure that you did not have injury or even internal bleeding. Please, very important. Huh?
Okay.
You can now go.
Chief, where I give my slippers? My slippers.
You didn't come with slippers. You came with your shoes and they are on. Look at your leg.
Okay, I came with leg.
And your shoes are on.
Hey!
Easy.
Hey! Chief, thank you very much.
Okay.
You
begin to go. No, is this the front of the cycle now?
The front.
beautiful like woman. I do. Solo. You don't feel cold? Look at you go your house.
Ah, come out there. I go enjoy you. Oh, oh, ah, I got you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Macharacha. You're busy again.
Go away. All of now. I do something. Best of do some best. Flying. Bye bye. Bye bye. Go away.
Get like again away before you're not being sure you take a new list.
Bye bye.
You sure say this thing we won't go to now? No go spoil something for our feeling that one is one.
Spoil something like how?
Ha. You know no Lichman. Ha. So if you feel change your mind now, say we can't thank him. Lichman.
Wait, no be me and you there for one is one front. Agree say we could go thank chief for in behalf.
Now so we talk say we could go thank him. But me, I don't listen him. But why I don't listen him? I listen him well. You get a CB, I don't listen him.
You don't listen?
I don't listen him.
You listen him well.
I listen him well.
It's alright. So now what do you want me to do?
But we'll go back.
Eh?
We'll go back. If we see him, we go just explain, to them. Say we know if we listen him, the thing no enter.
Oh. We will go back home. Eh? See, make I tell you now, this country I know they like. I know they like him at all. What is going to make you change your mind?
Me, I don't want anything where we go do nah. You go spoil something for our friend. I don't want them. Huh? But if you say make we go, we are be. No wahara. We go.
What? Catch up. Hey! Where did they go?
No, we just rotate. Now rotating things.
Oh, rotate.
Yeah. Otherwise, that wine, now from city, you correct them.
You don't go this wine. You don't go see her for this Nigeria. Yes.
I don't know for your own brain or how your brain they take the walk, whether they fast forward or they rewind. As I talk to you like this now, my brain don't rewind, go back. I remember that time when we say we did for primary school. Then tell us say the place where we did the primary, now Nigeria, and this place where we stand so now Nigeria. You understand? So if your wine no come from Nigeria, where you come from?
Good. A friend of mine, Queen Elizabeth II, all the way from England. He looked to me, he said, solo wise. He sent it to me. He said, take it, all the way from England. Now let us go home and do merriment. Yes. Back me up, bring me up.
Make the bottle no.
Bring me up.
Make the bottle.
Oh.
The bottle there.
Where are you?
The bottle there important.
Help place where they help you now. Help yourself. Help yourself now. Help yourself. Oh. Help yourself. Stand. Hey.
Okay.
Why?
Maybe you hold me, let me hold myself.
Okay, thank you, no problem.
Yes.
Hold yourself.
What is my jeep?
Look at that.
Okay.
Your jeep there.
Hey.
Come on, take care.
See, if to say that time when they do slave trade, we for don't sell it.
Hey,
Go.
I tell you, slave trade really buy drunk.
Go, I've got my house, I'm coming.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm coming.
Where are you coming from?
You never say I come out, say make I go see my friend.
Were you here when I arrived here some 20 minutes ago?
No, that time I don't come out.
And did you tell your elder sister that we were going out?
My other sister no dey telling me anything, so me too no dey waste my time. Telling her anything.
Listen to yourself. What was the meaning of that? Come on, remove that rubbish.
Brother, you don't trust me again. No say I believe in do me, I do you. God no go vex. Anyways, you bring anything for me?
You see? I was expecting you to ask me that same question. Because that's the only thing you know. Did you bring me this? Did you bring me that? And that's why you are not getting married. What's your problem, Amara? Because I've not seen you even with a man that you like, not to talk about husband.
Now me go marry myself.
Now you go marry yourself. What efforts have you made to get a husband? Let me ask you that question.
You want make I born pikin for house before you know say I dey copulate.
Copulate?
Cooperate.
Better, Mrs. Corporation. Go and get out of my face. Get out! Go and find something useful to do with yourself. Did you buy me anything? I got the Ekwenka. Look at that.
Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Have you drink something? No, you don't go understood. You don't go understood. Oh, so you don't follow these boys? They smoke something, Abi? I don't smoke anything. I don't drink anything. And I don't eat anything. What's gonna make you they laugh like a laughing jackass? Now, brother, they make me laugh. Oh, now, brother, they make me laugh. What did he do? He throw all kind grammar. Where go make me vex? But I don't go vex at all. I don't go vex. What you gonna talk now? He say, what efforts have you made so far to get marriage? But I refuse to be vexing because I know say God time na the best. I been a liar talk. I beg, leave me alone. You know say Sarah dey 90 years born pikin. That's one no kunka sobio. Before uncle, I get choice. You no get choice, oh. No get choice. You no get choice at all. Because that's where we dey Ibadan. When you get opportunity to marry, you refuse to marry. All the men wey come seek your hand for marriage, you refuse them. You forget say na that time they take the pursue black goats. Shebi your eye don't clear. I beg forward ever, backward never. Don't worry, then when some man when you carry a plane, you go come.
So, one is one. Take him from me. The boy na a fool.
Nketi has one you then.
With capital letter F.
Nketi has one you then.
You don't even get any identification number. Now make him go back to city. As for me, in fact, we don't even need them for this village.
Bros, no verse. Why you talk like that?
I talk him because I hate people when they think wise.
So wise. If na that one is the talk, me I like him well. Because me, day by day, I become a man. I dey think whether. I dey think whether.
No, for your side, day by day. Oh, but no day there.
What did you try to talk now? You say, me say I know they think well.
No. He talk say sometimes. Him talk say sometimes. No be me talk him. But for your side too, you but no day kwa. May I tell you na the main reason now. The truth be say, one is one. And be the main reason will make me stop any activity for vigilante group.
Nketi has one of you then.
Bros, this one we talk now. Network come up for this one. Honestly, I know this one. I know support this one. No be open your mouth to tell us say the reason why make you stop this now because say you go and cabinet us no they agree pay well again. Now make you stop.
Now yes. Now part of the reasons, but the main reason, way past reason, be that one is one. That guy no they respect me at all.
All these things one at the talk, they make me vex. I'm not be waiting they bother me. Huh? I just they imagine waiting that one is one. Tell Chief Joe. We make and promise him 100,000 naira. Nukwego 100,000 naira.
Imagine. You are right. It's indeed the shock. Hello? Hello? My name na Ahamefuna, aka Solo the Wise. The only wise man we don't live for Kafantine, Gombe, Mobi, Damaturu, Asaba. Right now in the village. The only wise man where white people no fit dupe. Now me, who they online with me? Who they talk? Ah! Ruben Nkemako Namu. Oh yes. Okay, now this number I give you. Oh, call the one where I give you. Call that one where I give you. Call this one. Call the number where I give you. Oh, both of them, not the same thing, not the same thing. If you want to talk to me, Solo the Wise, call the number where I give you. Thank you. Over. If you take it right, I take sense.
Hey! You mad?
No.
Nami, they call us in Aganiro.
I'm not calling you SEO. I'm not calling you SEO.
How did they call one?
No, school ringing wrong, not the thing. No, school ringing wrong, not the thing.
School ringing wrong? Hey!
Asawa na ganyo, asawa bye bye, asawa na ganyo, asawa bye bye.
This one is sitting me. See.
I'll say this something. Thank you. Asawa na ganyo, asawa bye bye, asawa na ganyo, asawa bye bye. I'm singing it again for you. I'm singing it. Asawa na ganyo. Asawa, why, Asawa,
hey, I don't get money.
I'll send you something.
15 naira.
You want that too much?
Yeah, I forgive you.
Hey.
And next time, eh?
Okay.
Hey.
Asawa, thank you.
Hey, thank
you. Asawa, why?
As I dey here, nothing go make me go city. Because anything where is supposed to be forward ever. Backward never.
So wait. You mean say if you get big money now, you know go back to the city and start another business?
Waiting and they tell you now. As I talked before, if you take right, I take sense. As on your sense. As on your sense. Anything where I they do for this life will not be forward ever. I know they try them at all.
I'm not understand though.
You don't understand because understand that now. If I go back to city, what it mean be say I they go backward. And me, I hate backwardness in my life at all.
Because I don't sit down like this for this village and say, what thing go make person, somebody where God created, person go put sugar for inside your mouth. You could just carry this sugar, go spit them into latrine. Yeah? You see the opportunity where one is one get. Like say now me. Where they here get this opportunity, where one is one get. I come on a city.
Me? Now disappear, I go disappear. I go long. I go leave this village one time.
On a be small pickings. Yes, on a fit run, leave this village. As for me, I don't pass that level. As Solo the Wise, I don't pass that level.
Bro, see, make I tell you, you get the kind of way go happen to you. You get the kind of bell where go knock bagam for your head. You see yourself for city.
No bell fit Nakambagam will go make me leave the village. If I make I tell you now, here and now, very soon, you see now, we're going to bow down. We're going to bow down for me.
Huh? We're going to bow down for you. Look, make I tell you, me, day by day, instead I go bow down for Pussycat. Pussy, politician.
No verse. Bow down as waiting.
Igbeni.
Bow down for you as a herald or in the book of Genesis. Or even a Jehoshaphat.
Uncle Jehoshaphat, yeah, keep Bazu.
Jehoshaphat.
Take right, I take sense.
If we're going to politician.
Abolembi. Imani bombi. Ndino agafe. Ndimado we get no more. Maka ihe ambu. Change the animal. Change animal for him.
No, when one NMB, no problem.
One
NMB.
I can represent Kwambi.
If you take right, we're here. No wahala.
Now why you know when about what I can bullshit?
So he told you that he's looking for a wife?
Yes. In fact, no.
Which one is yes and no? Can't
Yes.
you be more specific?
And the thing be say, you know, things say they look for a wife. You understand? But in talk say, if God waited for heaven, where in cloth they touch you for granted, but you know we on my side. Come package one woman, send for her, and the woman come work enter in the room, saying go marry the woman.
He said that. I know what to do. This guy, is he handsome? And does he have enough money to take care of a woman, maybe his wife?
It doesn't make I tell you before you go ask question, may you first ask question first. You know what? You see this person why they give you? This person beautiful. As for money side, if you bring chunk, you get more money with the people that so together.
But this guy, does he have any health issues?
That's right. These are not the issue. You see this person why they tell you? If you see the size of food when they eat, the size of apple when this person they eat, you will not see this person they healthy. Even plenty times all these spiritual, all these juju people for village don't attack her. The guys stand to the bar. That's to tell you say he no get spiritual problem. You understand? The guy they healthy and healthy.
Does he stay in this town?
No.
In this Enugu?
You know they live for this Enugu. He dey live for Obahu village. That is where they from Kano for east. My village don't be that.
So, can we go and see him?
But no. Me and you no follow for both of those here. Only you go upstairs.
Why? How can I then locate him?
The only thing I go do is say I go give you a picture. You understand? Look, you look a picture and I'll give you address so that you can use your hand and go look for him. But sister, before we go proceed, before we continue, I will learn about business. How much you can pay me?
How much do you want?
That's more money, then they charge planes. 150.
For a home-based husband?
See, sister, like I tell you, you see all these people they play football. You understand? Even if all these home-based footballers and the one they play for international, if they enter ball, they call them footballers. You got that? So whether home-based husband, out-based husband, any around based husband, the most important thing is husband and husband.
No, it's just
Sister, see, make I tell you, even this 150, what I tell you, now here I tell you rent am out. But I did give you as a husband for 150. But I was 150 now for rent. You want that?
What is what?
Alpha.
We don't know about you.
Then about shocking. I say you and Barbara Wire on a drink to whom it may concern. In fact, I don't know to go like solo wise.
Yeah. If to say we drink to whom it may concern, if for better, what do we drink ancient and modern.
Ancient and modern. So how far the thing on a do am?
Which thing?
The promise one I promise me say on I will go thank Chief Joe for the thing when he won't give me now.
We no go again.
And I no go again. On has it where. And I'm not so wise. When you got one so nagas that you should not go.
So wise. Don't be so wise though. Me and Baba Wire we did together. We can't listen them. As we listen and finish, we come decide say we forget them. You know they're necessary. You know they're necessary.
Then why you no go as my man? Why you no go? Go thank her.
One is one. See, tomorrow morning, make we go meet Chief Joe. If he give you money finish, then we go correct something. Call him. Go thank and reta.
There's no problem. I don't hear what you talk. No while. I'm a meal tissue going.
Go thank and reta. God, I beg. Make Chief no give him any money.
They sleep.
Would you not be chief and they see him?
If they sleep, you know they hear what?
Would you not be chief?
No, one for you. Now too much. Every time when my brother come here, that's all I'm going to disturb person for fear. Long throw to people.
Look at them. You're welcome.
Yeah, who chief?
No. This one you are wearing all these long faces. I hope everything is alright. What's the problem?
Chief, now your sister. She insulted us as we enter here. She insulted us so we become insultants.
Yes, not true he talk. Chief, if not because of the kind respect we will get for you, we for just go report her for you go and catch.
Brother, I know insult them. I know insult them. I insult you now. I mean, I insult you now.
It's alright. Alright, you tell me what happened.
I tell they say you they sleep. See, yes, they not believe me. Come they force themselves they enter the compound.
Is that the way it happened?
Chief, no be say it happen. No be say it happen.
Now so it happened.
As we just enter gate to make we come see you. We did here, I can't tell us who say, Chief there. He say, okay. We call it here and I say, Chief, no, they say you they sleep. But we see it with our eyes. He say you they sleep. Yes. Chief, not sleep, you they sleep.
You see, my sister is not wrong. She's not insultive at all. Or using your terminology, insultance. She's not insultance to anybody. What she told you people is right. Meanwhile, there is no microchips that will prove that what she said is wrong.
Chinchin.
That's not what I mean. Another kind of chinchin. This one is a component of computer. The component of computer. Yes. It can be used to dictate even this laughter. To the extent that you laugh and every other thing.
Yeah, okay, I will tell Oja where we they go.
Okay, please educate him on that.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chief. And Juma, please go in and find them something to eat. I hope you guys can eat. You want to eat?
No, thank you.
Chief Uzo, hungry they wire me, no money. Which kind of thing they do say? How go there, Chief? I say you say you don't okay. Chief, I be hungry they wire me so. As you see me so hungry they wire me.
Okay, it's okay. She has gone in to prepare food for you. Okay. We are going to eat good food at least.
Oh, Chief.
You're welcome once again. But if I may ask, why are you people here? Why are you visiting me?
We hear say you come back.
Yes.
So now make we congratulate you. That's why we come.
That's a good thinking. Positive thinking, and you've done well.
Thank you, Chief.
And you have come to the right place. It's okay.
That's why we say, if to say there is anything where you go put us, give us, make we take the whole body, it go better.
No, it's okay. It's okay. At least you start by eating good food. Then any other good things will follow.
Chief.
Where you go like this? Hey, what is coincidencing? Now your house that they come so.
Oh, they go back here. You don't hear this music before?
Which one be that?
I think I heard it now. Asa wana ganilo, asa bye bye. Asa wana ganilo, asa bye bye.
This music sweet oh. Hey, who composing it for you?
Nah, I'm going to see what you compose for me.
It be like say I go meet her, make she composing for me. At least that one go make me happy. Even though my brother, they provoking me, say I never marry. At least that one go make me happy.
What if I give you the money at the end and refuses to marry me?
Madam, see, I tell you, see this life where they live. This life full of risk. You understand? Even the world as God created and give us, we could control the world. The world carry risk plenty for inside the world. You got that?
So you're saying that if I give you 100,000 and it doesn't work, my money will just go down the drain, just like that.
Madam, you sometimes if you want to ask question, make you ask question first. Case if you say who can I say you dey talk like say you know they go for, you know they go church. You get one place for church for inside Bible where if you like say no, but there for inside Bible maybe somewhere for inside Bible where Bible talk say if you get faith you tell mountain say mountain come out for road, mountain will come out for road, you will go where you go. You understand? Put to faith for this thing. But if you believe say the thing no go work, you no go work. But if you believe say the thing go work, it will work. So put to faith for this thing make it work. You got that?
I'll take the risk.
You don't talk. Yes, you don't enter spirit. I like this one when you talking now. You got that?
My brother say make I tell you, make una polish this shoe for him. If una polish and finish, make una pack am for the carton.
Ose, see what you cost now.
The way they small thing you go the face, small thing.
We be sure China.
Small thing you go the face. Give me.
No be say make we come see chief, make we beg am, make he help us.
Now see what you waiting they bad. Not way we do work, you go pay us.
We be sure China.
I don't understand you. What you go take your own money do? Oh jam.
I go take and buy better shoe now. Let oneself.
Me I go take my own money buy phone and the top land.
Why with it?
Top land. You don't know top land? Now I go buy and phone. Better phone sir.
Which one be top land?
That kind of small computer where you fit carry go anywhere. You know they heavy. You fit put a inside pocket. Even anywhere I thought you go put and go. Even if you fall shit for bush, you fit carry enter bush. They press up. One small computer, very beautiful.
Wait, I have a laptop they call top land.
Oh, not top land. And on laptop now. I don't know.
You know so many things, no. No be laptop they carry for lap like this. They do They carry and they go around.
Okay, I go buy them now.
Now they call top land.
I go buy them.
No
laptop.
Correct.
I go buy.
No correct.
Chief, we don't finish, oh. We not be slow men at work, oh.
I'm happy.
Oh, Chief.
I like hard-working men.
Chief.
Please, take. I have this for you.
Chief, thank you.
Easy to help yourself, and you.
Wow. Chief. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Chief. Chief, I don't expect this. Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you, Chief.
One good turn will deserve another.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Chief.
Chief, I go tell you go make you Prime Minister.
Yes. Yes.
And you know, if I am made minister, I'm going to govern and rule the town well. And both of you will benefit. Ghana City, and I represent you.
Chief. Chief, don't make us nice.
Bye-bye.
One Chief. Chief, bye-bye. God bless you.
Big man, big trouble. It's okay. All right. I can hear, man.
I don't blame your brother. Because men, they don't know what women will never marry. They suffer.
No be say they blame you. My problem be say, it too they remind me say I never marry. Like say I me go marry myself.
I know they blame mama. I know they blame men. Because they don't know what women will never marry. They don't know what they suffer.
You get a CBO.
Out of solo wise.
That one? You get as they behave. If you want enter him, he go embarrassing you for public of your great matter.
Huh? Go try well. See make whether he go propose you. Now so I do now. Day by day propose me.
I will continue to try. No wahala.
No, they go my house.
Then they sing that your song. I like that.
Look at that song. Asawana ganizo. Bye bye. Oh yeah, they sing come mad dance. Asawana ganizo. Bye bye. No get me. Smart way they sing. Oh yeah, sing. Asawana ganizo. Bye bye.
Let me introduce this young man to you. I've known him over 10 years. You know, his late sister used to live with my parents when she was alive. And during that period, he normally visits. Why then is he asking you to pay a whopping sum of 150,000 naira? That says a G for you. He never does anything right without something in return. It's too bad for him. That's how he survives, dear. It's alright. Since you said you're willing and ready to take the risk, call him and give him the money. I think I'll start with a check of 50,000 naira. So call him for me, please.
Now, Ujan Smarty, you go face the talk. Not be that balance that it was chop for Chief Joe's house.
Oh, now make enough food cover your mouth. One palm here.
Cover mouth for that kind of food, that balanced diet. If na nonsense food, I go cover my mouth. But that kind of food, I don't need to cover my mouth now.
Go mind yourself.
I mean, I said na check Chief give us.
Before you know, that time I talk, I no hear him.
I hear him, but I no understanding it.
I don't understand them. No.
If I go Enugu on Monday, I go catch the man.
If you do it,
If I go Enugu on Monday, I go catch the check.
This check. Okay, for your mind now, how much it is inside that check?
I know, but I know say no be small money. If na that kind 20, 30 or 50 naira, you no go give us check now.
Abi? That means I go buy 2 shoes now, or even 3 self.
What do they carry 2 shoes or 3 shoes do?
See, now bad thing to get 2 shoes or 3 shoes. No be person get 1 carton of shoes, you know sham.
No, shall not concern me. If you like, anything where you like, now go carry your money do.
Hey! Wait.
Oh, bad boys, no dey. You don't forget yourself.
Wait, I don't know where I did.
Make we enter one somewhere.
I don't tell you what I go buy. Say no. Which one be? Now you dey buy a be like. Who do you live with? We resemble people from the eyes.
No, what did I go do for you? We the pass, so yeah, we first.
Yes. Yeah, voice. Yeah, voice. The Chris. Come on. Not they look up. Yes, we. Yes, okay. Yes, come on. Come on, stop up. Which one you go first? Talk something. We don't talk something. Which one you did? You go. What did you hide? What did you hide? What did they? I don't hide anything. What did they say that envelope? No, I swear. Bring it. Drop am here. Oh. Not it. Go. Come on. Shut up. Stop there, not there. No. Okay. No, look back.
But today makes sense. Don't go be. At least today don't go now. You don't understand?
One. Okay. After you don't take a day.
Papa? 2H. Yeah. What's on here? Did you joke? I mean, they still come.
Like this is in a bad market now.
Anyway, one bad don't go now. Today.
Abi?
You don't know.
I thought I'm bad pass.
You don't know. I mean, he gets another one today. How about your pocket?
Eh?
They're not done well.
Who are you asking that question? Did you look at it and it appears to you that it is properly polished? Huh? What is this now? Just took my money away without rendering a good job. Now, hey, would you go back to their houses? Just go back to their houses and ask them to give me my money back, or they will come back to finish this job well.
Okay.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, brother.
Then go! Go immediately.
Oh, make her they go na.
Uju, what are you still waiting for? You are a fool. You're a fool at 40. When will you start reasoning properly? I sent you. Go and bring that money back.
What if they don't spend the money? Make her no come back.
Come. Go first. Go and try them. 2 ways. They either bring that money back or they will come and finish this job. Or I will pay them.
Hey, brother, shop simple like that too. Shop simple. I know those people. Anything will enter their hand. If they had to come out too.
Go and try first. Let them bring that money back. If they say no, don't quarrel with them. Just come back and tell me. Because I know how to get my money back. Go now.
Okay.
What nonsense. Eh? Jenna City Tashafu, tell them I said so. How do you help them? Useless generation.
Hey! This is nothing but if you're going to school, please stop and carry me.
I will stop.
Papa, this is nothing but
I don't stop. How? Nwa. Pito nwa. Nwa chara akwụ. Ngo, you dey enjoy you, honestly.
Don't you see? Don't mention.
Ngo, this one will be say, you just speak all this big grammar. If let's say one go back to school.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now if you imagine say, they come say okay, oh yeah, now go back to school. Which school you go like to go?
School. You know, school no pass school. School no pass school. Anyone I like, I enter. Yes.
Even if like kindergarten.
Yes.
Even if na primary school, you go enter.
Yes.
Even if na secondary or
Yes.
even university,
Yes.
you go enter.
Even if it's na Sunday school, I enter.
You go enter.
You know making difference.
You're not making difference.
Yes.
You're not making difference. You're right.
Anything for the girls.
Of course, you know anything for the girls. You be my person for this village. You got that?
Yeah.
So the place where I go buy this thing now, I get small change where they give me. Make I give you the change, make you take the whole budget and sew it together. Yeah? You got that?
Yes.
500 naira, but we go share them. But anyhow, my person, pack all of them. Take.
Take it to you.
Take it to you.
Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Ngo, make I tell you, if you enter school, you see this money I give you, I go to give you money banyo.
Hey.
I go to give you money nyafu nyafu. You got that? So if you enter school, I go to give you plenty.
That's good. That's good. Let me sing again. Motor car, you do not see motor car. If you're going to school, please stop and carry me. Beep, pa. You do not see motor car.
Solomon. Where they go? This Salem honey. I will get this question when they ask. Who plenty here? I ask where they go this Salem money.
I don't want you. Not to talk to me. Not to talk to me. I don't want you yet. You know one here. You know one here. Be careful.
Wait. I talk to you. I talk to you. I call your name. I talk to you. Huh?
I don't tell you what I tell you. Honestly, the day when me go wunjo you. The day I go wunjo you. The day close by.
You no go fit do anything.
Wait, I no go do
you anything.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Now you go know who I be. Now you go know me very well. Talk that way, talk.
You know, go find me something.
What do you mean by something again? Haven't I settled you? What something are you talking about now?
Pepe.
Pepe kwa? Amara. How can you be asking me of Pepe? Get into the kitchen and have enough Pepe. Isn't there you are going to find Pepe? Or is there no Pepe again in the house?
Brother, no be that kind
What's
Pepe.
funny? What is funny?
No be that kind Pepe. They talk about.
So what Pepe?
Money. Brother, see, pancake, chewing gum, powder, lipstick, even Brazil. Don't finish. Yet, I not take my eyes see money to take by them.
You see why I am grossly disappointed in you? Have you seen it? I told you to get enrolled in evening classes. That one you refuse. What do you want me to do? Eh? This thing that you are calling Brazil, it is not called Brazil, it is called Brazier. Or in the local language, you call it a corset or crusette. I don't know what my mama used to call it. Corset. It's better than you calling that in Brazil. Brazil is the name of the country. A country in South America. Football nation where they play soccer. Yes, they are known for football. What is this now? You didn't ask of the latest make of a brazier. That one they call a push-up. That will help you bring out your breast and so that it will be perpendicular to your chest and be firm. So that I will know whether I can get in-law or not. That one you didn't even remember the latest panties that women are wearing. That one that is cross-like, they call it G-string. If you had mentioned those ones, I should have said, okay, let me help my sister. Because she has always been in the village.
I don't know.
How would you know?
No vex. I don't know.
You better know. Now, for the last time, come out with the blueprint of what you want to use money for. That's the only way I can help you. write them down and send it to my office. Not even the Brazilian weave-on that some people in the city put. You won't hear that one. Now open this car and put my bag, my briefcase.
Make I open it again. Make I go open it.
Sir? No, I'm not yet in the office. No, I'm with Mary Jane. Yes. No, we're about to travel to Bahama. Please, sir, we shall come back today, and by God's grace, I will be in the office early morning tomorrow to ratify the problem. Sorry? This man just wants to stress me.
What did you say?
He said I should report in the office now.
It's alright. I'll go alone, okay? Obaho is just 20 minutes away. I'll be fine.
It's still not advisable for you to travel alone.
But you saw me take my drugs this morning.
No problem. Let's go to the office. If I'm able to convince him, we'll travel together. But if he insists, take a cab.
No, I won't take a cab. Listen, all I need now is your prayers. Besides, the Bible says, if God refuses to watch over the city, the watchman watcheth in vain. Right?
No problem. I'm just concerned about your health. Okay?
Don't worry about that.
Plus, God waited for heaven, minus Satan. Amen.
If you want to go to school, please stop and carry me. Papa, did you not motor car?
Jailbreak there. As you enter this place now, I be like say I dey drive motor. Huh?
No.
Come, what you carry on this place?
You see, I don't enter school.
If you don't enter school, uncle.
What the money where you promised me? You promised me money.
The money where I promise you.
Yes.
Where the money where you promised me. See, make I tell you, every day don't be Christmas. So. See, money was supposed to go buy bread and now they carry give you. Make I tell you, I don't want to see you for this place again. Make even if breeze carry on this place, tell I say no, man change the location for you. I don't want to see you for this place. You hear me? Take this money. Till give me your pocket in the market and shiko. May I put them for inside your pocket?
Thank you. Thank you. It's not duty for me.
Duty for you? As waiting?
I want to say I'll be your darling now.
Make a duty for you. I want to say I'll be your darling now. Your darling now. Eh? It's alright, no problem. Relax. She be tea. Make I go bring. You know, since I one cup 9 day for this place. Make I bring another cup.
Okay.
Inside. Yeah. Wait for me.
Is it carry the go?
No, wait for this place. Make I go bring another cup. Take 2 tea for you.
Is it carry the tea the go?
No. Now cup I dey go bring.
Oh, bring am o.
Hey. Aso yoko. Aso yoko.
My love.
Asamu. You know when I talk the food again?
Sorry, now one small question I want to ask you.
That's a small question why you want to ask me. That question no fit wait until I talk this food finished.
It go fit wait even till tomorrow. It go fit wait.
Oh, it go fit wait even till tomorrow. You go fit wait even till tomorrow. Why you come the bottom of my life? Huh? In fact, as someone ask me that question, I go answer you.
Thank you, sir. Which day they go see my parents?
Aso, what did I bring that kind of question? Huh?
No, verse, now my mama. She was calling me, oh, disturbing me.
Disturbing me? Asamu, me, I don't know when I go come see your parents. I don't know when I go come see them. But one thing where I know be say everything where concern this our marriage proposal, anything where concern them go happen before this year go end by 5 by force.
Eh? You mean it?
No, what you want here?
I don't understand you again.
See, Asama, if you know what make I talk this food, I go leave and go. In fact, I leave it, I go. In fact, I won't go.
Hey,
Hey, what the Hashem know there your face? I say if you go keep this your wretched equal to your bicycle, you go come fight me. You don't do everything. What you fit do? What you fit do?
Now one thing I save you. If no beside I remember something, that thing can't cool me, can't calm my anger. I for give you blow. What go give you? You go fly 10 feet, land for ground.
Make I just give you one warning, and today be the final why I give you this warning. True to my heaven, man, no use God. True to devil, any day your hand touch me, you see that day, that place where you touch me, I go bury. If I don't bury you alive, call me bastard. If I don't bury you alive, call me bastard.
What did you be before?
I say call me bastard.
Now what they ask you? What do you think say you be?
If I don't bury you alive, call me bastard.
You think say you not be bastard? Not be bastard be your name? Oh, because I never go tell people say this man 1 minus 1 here na bastard. Not be one agidi for elele. That woman what they cook agidi for elele. Not be born you. You know your father. You know your father.
See, all this nonsense the way they talk. Me and you know they the same thing. No triumph. But you see, this is what I tell you. Any day your hand touch me, whether one agidi or whether anybody tell you anything or you hear anything, but your hand to touch me, let me say you don't die. As your hand they touch me like this, you don't die. Any day.
It is say me and you dead the same level, Abi. No, it is say we dead the same level because you see me for this village. Let me tell you, this man here, solo wise. If you take right, I take sense. As only sense, I don't go for Cavantine. Talk about I don't travel everywhere. I don't travel go. I don't go Ekusigo. I don't go even Orifite. I don't live furniture. Okay, talk about South. This man here, I am very conversant. I dey conversant with South. I have gone everything South. I have gone to Onitsha South. Idemili South. Ekusigo South. Even South to South. Look at you with a man.
You know put hair South. You know put hair South. All those places where they call and you use your money go. No be burial if person, our village person die, they will carry you go. You don't use your money. All this South. One day you go all this South, go hair fire South. And another day you go say there is South and there is South. No, you don't go finish. My level for this village still pass your own.
I tell you, one day I go surprise you.
See, you know it is they make me laugh. You see all this way they call say travel. Anybody will travel, they carry car, come back. Even some people they carry this car, Mercedes Benz, come back. Which you carry come back. And I should say this is not for bazaar. the buyer give you because nobody agree buyer and you are proud. Ambassador of suffering. You are proud. Carry this thing, come here before the vigilantes catch you.
You see?
Yes.
Before I think say you get small sense. Now you dey obvious say you no get, you dey senseless. Because let me tell you, if I won't buy jet now, I feel buy jet. With the things where Elizabeth dash me, if I sell one, I feel take and buy jet. But I say, why will I buy? If I buy it now, every people go come kidnap me. I say make I maintain low. Now you come here, come they still say me and you. Let me tell you, for this village, I go build factory here, and I must employ you like I get money.
You decrease. You decrease. You go this way, you don't want to buy this one, you don't want. No, you are proud of your suffering. Carry this bicycle, go.
Another day, you just mention my name and see what I will do you.
Solo wise, take a miss.
That day, if I
you know say all these increments in the fuel price, you know concern you.
Oh.
If you drive this thing, read that side, here we go now push here. I don't say this increment of fuel no dey inside.
Now let me begin to talk like person. Where get.
Make we dey wise dey like Sinekio. It dey quite very wise dey like Sinekio. I dey quite too sharp like Sinekio. Shebi you dey wise dey like Sinekio. I dey quite too sharp like Sinekio. Mana okay sense na safo. Okay sense na nyensobu. Okay sense na safo.
No beside the best. No beside the best. But you see, you get some kind of things. You know, you don't mature this one level. You don't big. You see, suppose know the kind of question where you got to ask and the ones where you not got to ask.
No verse now, eh? I no go repeat them again.
No one. No one. Asama, you see, if your mama call you again, then I say, you no go take for now. Me and my people, we go come see them, pay your blind price.
Hey! You mean that? Hey!
I mean,
what? I found one, everybody,
This is my wife. Mommy! Yeah, my wife is beautiful. My wife, you are beautiful.
I'm going to think with the wedding meal. Thank you.
You are beautiful.
Hey!
Are you from this village?
Yes, I'm from this village. What happened?
I'm looking for somebody. His name is Solo Wise.
Solo Wise? What happened?
I had a dream, and in that dream, God told me he's my husband. So I decided to come here and tell him.
If you see this Soro Wise, you go sabi him?
No, not really, but I can try.
Not Lily, eh? But you can try. Now you get this motto.
Oh yes, it's mine.
Yeah. You be virgin. You don't do before.
I'm almost a virgin. Almost a virgin.
Almost. Almost a virgin.
So do you know him?
Sorowise. Now Sorowise is the fellow they talk now. Now me be Sorowise.
Really? Are you sure?
My name Sorowise.
Really?
Very serious. Very serious.
Oh my God! At last,
It's a pleasure.
See, we thank God for God. Thank God for God. Hey, you see? What you don't know say, na me be sort wise. I go be.
Don't know now. I've told you what God said that I should. It's left for you to agree.
Ugly. Make I tell you something. I see you for dealing too. Ha! I see you for dealing. Two of us. But I know no say na marriage tense. I deal him.
Really?
Lily, Lily. Very, very Lily. Thank God. See, make I carry you go, make you go see where they live.
Okay.
My house.
Okay.
Okay, enter, make you go show. I go show you. Go, you know where they live. Hey! I saw God take butter somebody blade.
So where's your bicycle?
My bicycle?
Yes.
I don't get bicycle.
Oh, but in the dream, you told me you have a bicycle.
Yes. I get, but now it's there for a mechanic. I forget.
Mechanic or bicycle repair shop?
Now the two. Now whether mechanic or lipeller. All of them. Maybe we go house. Forget the bicycles. Maybe we bicycle. Maybe just the go.
Hey,
Doji. What's up, Butu?
Hey. What you going to torture you for body like this?
Finally, day by day, they agreed to marry me.
Congratulations, oh.
Hey, tell me congratulations again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This one na good news, oh. Proper good news. It reached to torture you for body.
Hey, now so God don't bless day by day for me. Well.
Bless you too. God don't bless you too. Because it's not easy for woman to wait for husband to take. You don't too take. Thank God for your life.
Amen. Oh, hallelujah. Hey, before I forget what carry me come the dance. I'm not good.
No, Amara no dey. You go stream, go fetch water. Come make you come wait for her now. Because he don't say when he go fetch the water, you go don't come back.
I know if you wait. If she come back, tell am say, I say, make you tell am say, I come.
No wahala.
Make I go.
No wahala.
No, get man.
I tell you, you know, say this guy what they call solo wise, I be solo waiting. That guy an enemy of progress. Today, where Chief Joe say, "Come, my son, let me bless you. Come collect 100,000." Now this guy appear from nowhere now. Me and I'm begin argue. They talk nonsense. Nearly I forget.
My rock be that.
What's happen?
My rock. You see, one is one. I say, I can tell you, say, God don't bless me with a beautiful wife. God don't bless me with a beautiful wife.
God don't bless you.
Bless me.
Bless.
God don't bless me. Why they touch my bless? I said God don't bless me, they touch my blessed.
Bless. Now I don't even remember what you they talk. God don't bless you and bless him from up.
And bless him from above. Bless him. God don't bless me.
I don't understand you. I don't understand again. Okay, you want to tell me now say you know I'm married this girl again. The wife where everybody know. Asanwa.
Iboyara. Asawete. See, if me and you there, no they talk that kind of thing, no they call that kind of name. No they call that kind of name if me and you there.
I don't hear. No problem.
You don't go see Chief Joe.
So all this is why they talk since you know they hear them. You don't understand. Now Chief, I tell you I won't go in house go collect money before this switch from nowhere come appear. Can't disturb my time.
So wise. Hi. You see, you just say you never go late.
I never go late. I know say my God will do it for me. The God I serve is there to deliver me from the hand of the witches. Solo wise, I will meet him.
Nah, you don't go late.
No, I never go late.
You don't go late.
No. My redeemer leave it. If I just go there and they collect up, that will not be a problem. No problem. We'll wait for your wedding. We'll go follow for Ashebi men.
Your redeemer leave it.
Make we go. Take care of your woman. Make I go myself. See where I collect my 100,000.
No problem. I see they just go. Nah, I go lost. buy some. I go lodge, buy some drink for my precious baby.
You want lodge where?
I go lodge, buy some drink for my precious baby.
You don't reach where me and you go. If you want to talk something, you write. I might use my hand pronounce.
Basharo go. Basharo.
Good morning, Abi. You want another thing?
Where does our travel go?
Why I go put stuff for you? You senior me?
See you arrive. See you arrive. Huh? Small respect you don't get. And still yet you won't make my friend. So wise, make a malay you. Have you no say, I know say you the beg so wise, make a malay you.
You will get respect. You don't marry someone.
Who be someone? What think of me and someone? Follow me, go my house. May you go see Stanley's baby. When they beg me, make a malay her with a clean car.
Hey! You don't disappoint me as someone. Oh. You don't disappoint me as someone.
Come on, get away from there. Go away. Carry our heart to go.
Day by day. This is where you do, my friend. No good, oh. You no good, oh. You no good, oh. Hey.
Now you sabi. Huh? I go beg one is one. I go beg one is one. Make him marry Amalashi. No. You know good. You know say I don't correct Sorowise wife. I go beg Sorowise. Make him marry her. Asanwa. Your papa name na Sole. I better say you no get rock for marriage at all. You no get rock. Sorowise. Finally.
If you take right, I take sense. That's what you say.
Hey, Sorowise, finally. I don't see my missing rib.
Oh, you're missing rib. Okay, that one no be old, no be new news. After all, everybody know, no be Asanwa.
Asawaiting.
Asanwa.
Who be Asanwa?
The way we know.
No be Asanwa they talk. I talk about stainless baby. Where God, where there for heaven, create for me, especially make a male.
Stainless.
You my house, you my house.
Stainless baby.
I'm telling you.
I feel know her. In come from from this village.
That kind of girl, you know they come from this kind of village. You know they come from this village. Na Nkelefi woman. She dey live for Enugu.
Enugu nkaya. Enugu this. Hey. Day by day. You see your luck.
That's my rock.
Yes. Can it go? Anyway, a person like me, solo wise. If you take right, I take sense. As when you say I see the single. SSS. Single, still searching. No problem.
So wise, you know say two of us now we be friends.
Okay.
And you be Basharo. Me, small time now I go Mali. So now suggestion I want suggestion to you. Make you
waiting be the suggestion.
Make you Mali Amalachi. You go fit two of honor.
I do you bad before. No, I do you bad before. I just say you be my friend.
I'll be your friend.
And you want me, solo wise, international, to go and carry my head and chuck inside the fire. Or you talk.
I'm not looking at fire now. Why is that wise? To be the talk, not the fire.
Look at Amarachi. Coming to upper graduate. Amarachi no there. Lower graduate, you know there. Even intermediate graduate, you know go find her name there. What did she be? Now illiterated. You won't make I go marry her. No, do like this kind of thing.
I'm sorry.
I'm very, very sorry.
I don't tell you, say, for marriage, for woman matter, for anything wife who I go marry, no bother, not even bother myself. Because I know, say, as I dey talk now, God will day in heaven. The package and the fix things the way they're supposed to be. Once you finish and you go bring them for my doorstep. Now that time you go know say post office there for them.
No wahala. We're gonna remember you in player. Anytime we play, we're gonna remember you.
I'm not a play ball.
Na player.
Okay, player. Fine, amen.
You go marry better wife.
Amen. You go put you for player.
I'm Rafa.
How do you no leave, no transfer?
Abi?
Your friend day by day tell me say you don't see another girl when you want marry, and he called that one fine girl, no pimples.
Day by day, Tanai they talk. Day by day, where they confuse. Day by day, anywhere you see woman, anyone short, black, pimple, tall. In fact, day by day like this now, as I talk to you, day by day, now my man in there confused. He don't know what he wants.
Abi? Hey.
We talk better things. Chief day.
No, don't
Chief
go back
day.
to city.
You know day.
Don't go back to city.
When you go come back?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey! Jesus Christ. You drop any message for me?
No.
You don't drop any message for me?
Mm.
You hold a number?
Yes.
You hold a number?
Yes.
Thank God, oh. I'm a thank God, you are a savior. So, give me the number, make I call him.
You go follow me go house, eh? I no carry his number for my head.
I go follow you go house. Oh, no, only you there for house.
Yeah, now only me.
Time, no the wait for late comers. What you hold you to not get them married?
Nothing they hold me. Till I take this my eyes, see beautiful, educated girl. Then I go marry.
You mean say all the girls where there for this village no beautiful?
Them beautiful, they fine, but they not beautiful like that. More important, I no go marry illiterate girl.
Solo? Na lie. We get many girls where they educated for this our village.
Where go school?
Yes.
Now you talk and say many girls go school for this our village. But that many girls they know sabi book. I mean everybody where go school sabi book.
Not true when you talk.
Oh, take it from me. Solo.
You know, say boys sabi book, pass girls.
Not true.
But I go make you no marry.
No. But coming to that girl, sir, make I tell you see these girls where they here, they no even get atom of respect. Our girls here no get atom of respect. And another one where they more important, be say no be all of them. In fact, they no fit cook olubu or for olubu. I for work them back.
Solo wise. Yes. Look, marriage you know they stand, and marriage you know they sweet without no jump and pass.
Which one be jump and pass?
I don't think that one pass you. I go teach you, but you go buy me a drink after. For marriage, not be anything where you see or anything where you hear. Now you go talk. Yes. The only thing where man they look for marriage, not pikin.
Ude, you're right, but you know perfect. Ude, make I tell you, pikin good, but get something where they more important than pikin. You hear me? I no fit marry person where I no love, and I no go advise person where make you go marry person where you no love. But come on, the jacka people want to avoid committing murder. No, father.
No, what happened for Vigilante group?
Okay. Nothing. We don't break. Now break we did nothing.
See what happened between you and your colleague?
Okay, those boys are. Anyway, nothing per se. But for those boys, they just did there, they pass manga. As for me, solo wise, I be Oga. I remain net Oga. My apology.
Don't again.
Which one?
sleep well.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Who you be? Where from? Hello? Wait. Hold on. No call. I go call you back. Wait. Ah, Frank. Yes, Frank. Frank. Please, make you give me a small time, Frank. Frank, now me tell you say I go call you. Cut. Hello. Yeah. Where? From where? Okay. Hold on, no. Bros, hold on, no first, hold on.
Hey, I'm Ryan. To tell you the truth, now you try pass. In fact, you see this number where you give me, God will bless you.
Amen.
You really try.
My beg, you go help me talk to day by day. Make you no disappointment as someone, my friend.
I go feel help you. Anything where you beg me, I go do am. This number where you give me, sir, nine shoppers. I go do am for you.
No, bye-bye.
Chief Namio. Good day, sir. Now your sister Amrana, yes, now she give me your number. Chief, I did very sorry. Very sorry. Yes, I did. Yes, Chief. When I come your house, yes. Devils will say I no fit see you, but thank God I defeat him. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Just that, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
See, if you take right, I take sense. Yes, I know the answer solo wise from mouth. I'm telling you, yes. If not the time where I did Confrontine. Sorry, not be Confrontine. Now hung in United. I think it's hung. No, it's song in Adamawa. When I did song in Adamawa State, the advice where I dey take they give people, then I take the money they pay my house rent. Yes. No wahala, I dey wait for you. This is solo wise not picking. Because we shot that one. Hello? And I no serious. I say more now wait. On a cut.
No be say they know they serious. Now their credit they go for nothing.
Which credit? Would they, if na president tell them say wait, they no go wait. Why they no go wait?
Where they go wait?
Just kill it. Babu Wire, my personal person. Solo wise the great. That's so. Not me. Not me. Oh, don't be my fault. Say I dey wise. I saw your sense, Mbo. What the way? Okay, but I sense now. See, make I tell you, now you be the only person who be say, oh, you both try, then do everything. In fact, they work software. When they go take do you wayo, they don't fit cheat you. You know one thing with you, Babu, I be say you sabi books more. One little thing be say I dey with people now. I go call you later. No problem. I'm gonna know Allah. Bye now. Idiot. See, the idiot don't even know say don't enter. By the time you know it now, one thing will lead to one thing. The regime go carry belle. Cha or chaka. Him, he say no go marry him. Ndi be ha chita chigara. In people go pump you. Say you go marry Mary Jane. Mary Jane go live for your house. She go born for you. Well, I know my balance. Idiot. Hey. What is what?
Chief, don't give you the money.
Which kind Chief? You dey talk Chief self at the first. I no come meet Chief before I go. They say Chief don't come out.
I talk him. Huh?
Meet Chief.
I talk him say don't go late. Ha!
No be say I go late, but the thing wey dey there na that winch wey dey call solo wise, na make me go late. If say I come out on time, or if I reach when I come out here, I for meet am.
Oh, huh? Oh, okay, what you go do now?
Chief say make I come sit, come collect the 100,000 naira.
No wahala na. If not that one, no wahala. Make I lodge. No, go buy drink for my precious baby. The shop where I go, make I buy them. They no get the kind of one I want. I won't go there. Go buy drink.
Wait. Day by day, I want to ask you something. You mean say you don't drop Asanwa?
Oh, one is one, huh? One is one. See, make I tell you, do anything where they permanent for life, na change. Huh? Just for us. Make you go enjoy your life.
No drop that girl now. No disappoint her. Unless you want her to kill herself.
Because I mean if she kill herself. Huh?
Day by day. Huh? Day by day. How many times did I call you?
How many times will you call me no matter?
You get within English people they talk say the devil way you know. Sabi the angel way you know. As the devil way you know. Better pass the angel way you know. No. Sure you know.
Point of collection. That angel way you know Sabi. You better pass that devil way you Sabi.
Okay. I want to ask you something again. This girl what they talk about now. When you see him, how you take see him?
Which kind of embarrassing question be that? Huh? Then the announcer for church before I go look for my destiny.
I know beside embarrass you or insult you. You my man. I don't want to make you do mistake for marriage. Yes.
See, make I tell you, one is one. I don't collect all the whole mistake where I make for marriage. I don't collect all the mistake where I don't make for marriage. Now, I'll be born again. Just, if they follow me, make I go buy the thing. Just follow me, go.
Okay, I go follow you, but the thing be say, I won't go house first. When I go my house, I will come back later.
Basharo.
So, what will they talk before the call?
The marriage matter, where will they talk? Look, I want you to marry this year. Because delay is dangerful.
Would they I go marry, but I know sure say na this year. Because I won't plan them well.
Look, marriage plan, no they finish. If you plan small, you leave the rest to God.
You don't they talk like my late father?
They talk out of experience. Marriage is like market. Sometimes it go good for buyers. Sometimes it go good for traders.
Then at this thing where I no want sometimes to enter into my marriage. Now make I tell Babu why I say I do wait. Make God in his infinite mercy package one fine, educated, beautiful lady from heaven. Bring her to my house. I go now marry.
Who tell you say God the package woman for heaven bring this on this earth?
God nifanye nothing pass some. I get many appointed today. Appointment.
Myself I get my own appointment be say I want go bush, go check if whether my trap don't catch rabbit.
Overlaw. In that case, overlaw. If you take right, I take sense.
Solo wise. Solo wise.
Overall.
You do okay? Huh? You okay?
I'm worried.
Worried? Huh? What happened?
I have a feeling that you will disappoint me.
Feeling? You? Feeling? Say I go disappoint you? At the place? I'm not going to disappoint you. It's not possible. Me? At the place? Disappoint you? No, I'm not going to disappoint you. May not their wallet.
If you won't, then why did you take over 1 hour just to buy drinks?
my yoli, I that's all. You see, I waka go around the whole village. They find where I go buy the link. I waka. I know see where I go buy the link. You see, I can't jam my friends. I can't tell them say, God don't press me. God don't butter my blood. Dash me. Therefore, ready. Make a mal. I'm not going to tell them. I want to make me come waste time. Sorry.
That's a lie. You want to see your girlfriend?
Me? Girlfriend? See, I don't come out from Egypt. I did Israel now. My girlfriend, I don't quarrel with that one since. Don't quarrel with her. Don't quarrel with my girlfriend.
Then you went to make up.
With who? I beg you. You see, now my friend I see, I tell them say, you go better, make all of us follow come house. Make them come celebrate with us.
So where are the people you invited?
Very soon they go there here. I know them all. Very, very soon they go there here. You see, what we will do? When we begin the drink our beer, they chop our fried chicken. Before they go come here, they come here now. Long throat. They go finish the whole thing. We just drink our beer there, chop our fried chicken.
I'm still not convinced. That you won't break my heart.
Oh, my Yuli, I no go break your heart now. I no go break your heart. I no go try.
Promise me.
I promise you.
You sure?
Very sure. Promise. You are my universe one. Hey, blend the khaki. The important. You are my universe one. You are my universe one. Pam.
One is one. Huh? Look me finish as I did. I know be fine here.
You say you know be
fine here.
Yeah, yes. You fine. You fine. What's an opposite? What's up?
Person where they jiggy 15 times in a month. No be virgin wife.
That's what they do it.
Person where they jiggy 15 times in a month. No be virgin wife.
15 times a month. Whether na virgin. That's not a swimming pool now. If you buy ticket, they give you shower and shower cap. You swim. You can even use head anyhow. Jump inside. Any problem?
At the first.
Why the first?
At the first, day by day. Look me finish. Carry 1 year. 1 husband snatcher. Come there for house.
Day by day. You and day by day again. I just say on another day again. I just say on don't separate.
Nah lie.
I never separate.
We still the friend.
Huh?
As I talk to you now, yesterday, him back for my swimming pool.
Come back for you.
For my swimming pool.
This one?
Still
back finish. Carry another woman.
I tell you.
If not like that, day by day, no, they try.
They feel them? You they feel them?
Yes.
You see that thing when you carry come back? Now husband snatching. I they go there now. And they finish them.
If they go, I beg, take a miss, no do anyhow. Yeah? Even you, with your body alone. You can kill them. No need of all this.
You go hear our story. Go.
Hey. Everywhere they shake. Care one law match. Even without man, sometimes God can put the person.
So na true, eh? Now, people say that they can. You husband snack. Come over here. You over here. Be my weakness, cause I go kill your madam. You hear me? The man starts to see the king. You know they hear my voice that by them. You know they hear my voice. Okay. Present to them. Say my weakness. Make you they hear when they talk. And them. You don't hear my voice, eh? Okay. whatever I do, never buy for me. Okay?
Bushmeat, oh. Hey, every afternoon, that's this kind of time. You go see it. This is store, bro. I've been saying that kind of one because that recipe. They take that here.
It's a paludo, it's a
What is wrong with you? Leave the road now. Are you deaf? Didn't you hear my horn?
Now who get that question? No, now me get that question. Who is the deaf? Me, I be person where they hear where I no see.
I am talking to you. Leave the road, let me go.
Make I tell you, you be road user. Me, myself, I be road user. Anyhow, where I decide, I use the road. If I like to lie flat, I lie. You self, anyhow, where you like, you use the road. So therefore, your complaint now, none and the vote. What did they talk?
Is something wrong with you? Listen, leave the road now, or I will crush you, and I mean it.
You with me? You caught me! Oya, make I tell you say, Oya, make I tell you say, I'm not ready for this accident. Oya, okay now, my